Russian special avocado, French egg, cheese, Vienna, 55 rand. 55 rand. Let's take a bite. Child, I wanna bite it like Kota because Kota. Oh my god, where do I start? How do I even eat this? Huh? Yummy. If you know, you know. Me and Avo, same WhatsApp group. This is just a lot, you know. For 35 rand, it's just a lot. I'm a happy customer. I think I should remove connection. Sorry. Yummy. Wabhodla umntana omsuthu. Egg. Favorite. cheers, baby, cheers. Probably you watching at me drinking your Coke, drinking water, drinking your wine, your beer, your cider, your whatever. Woza tata, cheers. Okay. Would I buy this Kota again? Most definitely. I give it a 10. Yes, I said it. 10 out of 10. Super delicious. It's so nice. This, oh God. It's fresh. They have seasoned it nicely. The Russian taste so nice. The Vienna, I even ate it all. And you know, egg, it's my favorite. However, I don't think I needed it here, because hence I ate it alone, because I just feel like it was not needed here. But anyways, anywho's, I'm enjoying it. I'm happy. I love it. 10 out of 10. Where did I buy it? Pritchard Line Extension 11. Baby, it's a black yamuto. What I know, the owner, the guy that does it, Bamubita uncle. So yes, we bought it go uncle. The other day, no one wanna go Kuro. And he was like, Mommy, I'm so in love with Uncle's sandwich. Sandwich. It's a bunny chow, child. It's a bunny chow. So yeah, it's nice. You wouldn't regret it. I don't regret it. There's only 35 rand. I'm happy and satisfied. So, Kota kiyona, guys. Dianza hizo Kota. Okay, and apparently I'm full already. Why can't I refill a Coke? I don't know. Right? Papa. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching till this far. Thank you. Let me not waste your time in data. And show some love by commenting down there below in the comment section. Express your feelings. What was unnecessary or necessarily. Just share your opinions, your feelings, and any suggestion. Review. Alright. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Peace. Chisa.